Witness a dazzling display of lights and colors along the majestic Chao Phraya River, a mesmerizing displays of lights, sounds, and colors above the waters, a breathtaking show featuring fireworks, drones, and stunning lights effects. Light installation with special effects across 14 prime locations. Abandoned building at Soi Long 1919 Rashini School วัดกัลยาณมิตร Office building at Royal Thai Naval Institute Rama 8th Bridge วัดอรุณ Memorial Bridge Bangkok. Experience the memorable night. Join us from November 16 to December 15, 2024 at 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. along Chao Phraya Riverside.